In this video, I'll show you how to edit a workspace name in Monday.com. Start from your main workspace view. This is the screen where you see the left sidebar with all your boards and workspaces listed. If you're already inside a board, look at the left corner and click your workspace name or click Main Workspace to go back to the workspace overview. Now, look at the left sidebar. Scroll if needed until you find a workspace you want to rename. Workspaces are usually grouped sections that contain multiple boards. Move your cursor over the name of that workspace. On the right side of the workspace name, you'll see a small three dot menu icon appear. Click the three dot icon. A drop down menu will open. From the list, click Edit Workspace and Rename Workspace. The workspace name will now become editable. Type in your new workspace name. Make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of that workspace. Once you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard. The new name will be saved immediately and you'll see it updated in the sidebar. If you don't see the rename option, it usually means you don't have permission to edit that workspace. In that case, you'll need to contact the workspace owner or an admin to make the change. And that's how you edit a workspace name in Monday.com.